Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Jim. Glad to have y'all here today. My mess on the bench here is excusable, I hope. I've been working on all kind of projects. Today I thought I'd change the magnets in one of my fidgets, but I wanted to show you my favorite one right now. This is the drifter. And I reconfigured the magnets so they move around a lot. I saw the girl, I can't remember her name, Melanie, I think everybody calls her Mel. But at any rate, I love it. Oh, and Fidget Nerd. He is awesome. At any rate, this thing's pretty cool. And I really am starting to get into it. This one is the Rapt, and that's one of the more popular ones. And I got it in the same material, the Ultim, or however you say it. And it actually does a pretty good job. But I do want to change some things. I want to change the screws in it. Not the screws, what a dummy. The magnets. And I was going to see what size it's going to be. It's pretty small. Let's see. T6 from the field. Oh, I have my steel plate. Let me zoom this in a little bit out, I should say. That Fidget Nerd had, which I think is a pretty cool idea. I haven't opened one of these yet. Not sure. There we go. There's the dampeners and there's the magnets. Now I have some larger magnets and I wanted to make more noise. But I'm trying to learn how to ladder and do other things, and it's just not really coming naturally to me yet. So we got a whole bunch of these spacers or holders or whatever you call them from Jonas. And I think what I wanted to do is do two little ones and a large one on each end. So let me see if I can find that configuration. That looks like it right there. Nope. That ain't it. Maybe this one? I think that'll do it. No. Is that larger? Yeah, I think so. Nope, that's three big ones. Alright, give me a second here. New to all this, dude. Large. Nope. Well, heck. Too small and a large. Too small and a large. There we go. I think we're cooking here. Are we? Maybe. So I'm going to take this out. And this. Let me get y'all down here a little bit better. And I'm going to attempt to take the little magnets out. That was satisfying in itself. Alright. Going to put this in here. And this in here. You know, I'm going to need 4 of these, aren't I? Man, I'm a dummy. That looks like the other one. And I need one more. Smalls with a large. Maybe. I guess we'll find out. Alright, now where do I put these magnets? Well, that was stupid. Oh, they're over here. Duh! Alright, like I said, I'm a little bit new to this. So these are the bigger magnets, I think. Nope, they're not bigger, they're just stronger. Or are they bigger? Yeah, they're bigger. Try to get that to stay. That's fighting me tooth and nail. You guys make this look easy. I guess it takes time to figure it out. That's good. And that's good. And turn it around. That's good. That's good. So I know the polarity is important on these. So we got those opposite. I'm not sure. Let me think about this a minute. That's correct. Alright. So now we got to do the little ones. Come on, baby. Well, I keep screwing up. There we go. Boy, thank goodness I got this plate, because otherwise it'd be a nightmare. This isn't really too bad. I just got the learning curve. There we go. That makes me happy. And the screw got caught by that magnet. Oh, it looks like Jonas put a metal insert in these. I know that Fidget Nerd had talked about these and using super glue or something on it, and it screwed up the plastic or Ultim or whatever you call this. But look, he's put in a insert. So that's awesome, Jonas. Dude, that's just awesome. I'm not putting the spacer back in, not the spacer, the buffer back in. I want it to be noisy. At least that's my goal. Can't believe that's retracting. That's crazy. All this magnet stuff. The last thing I want to do is lose this screw. Boy, everything's sticking to everything. I don't even know if you can run it without the buffer in it or not. Okay, need the other half right there. Yeah, a lot more fidgety and noisy, which is what I was after. Sweet. Alright, we gotta do the other side. That's exactly what I wanted. I want it to be as noisy as possible. That seems to be more satisfying to me than the actual doodad itself, if that makes any sense. So there's the spacer or dampener, the plastic insert goes in the pile with the others. Cool. You got to pick these up. Now the polarity should be right on this one because it stuck. Yep. So that should be fine. So this one I need to turn over. Perfect. Alright. Did I have these on the outside? Yes. It looks like I got the wrong size here. That's the right one. And that's the right one. Just got to get these little ones in here. I'd like to thank Jonas for making this for me. I hope I wasn't too big a pain. Well, come on. Act right. These videos don't get a lot of views. Of course, I'm relatively, in the big scheme of things, new to YouTube. I got the wrong one in there. Where did the little one go? That's all little ones. Little. That's all big. Little big. That should fit. There goes my phone. That will be my daughter texting me. You know, your children aren't even grown at 42. They think they're grown. Of course, she's going to watch this and get mad at me. Alright. Put this on. I'm glad you guys are bearing with me on this because this is relatively new, but it worked out pretty good. Now, these things are expensive, guys. At any rate, long story short, this was very expensive, but I know the work that goes into it after seeing what goes on in a machine shop. The drifter's a lot less expensive. Alright, I hope this thing's noisy as hell. Oh yeah. Yes! And the stronger magnets is going to let me do the little ladder move, which I really am not familiar with doing all this fancy stuff. I know you guys are going to go, oh, that's not fancy. So anyway, that was the magnet changeover, and I'm damn happy with that. Pretty darn cool. Hey, we got some knives to go over. We got the Ben Peterson knife. This is the lander. I got this knife here. We're going to talk about it. I found it in a pawn shop. They wouldn't negotiate, so I found it on eBay. And I consider Kevin and Keith's knives somewhat custom, at least for me. I'm pretty damn impressed with both knives. This is getting off track from the Fidget, but Devo knives, I can't wait for the little knife to come out that he's working on. But I'm real happy with this knife. I'm still not a good back flipper. I'm getting it down a little bit better. But Tempest knives, and I like the wire clips too. You know, I bought some skiff bearings for the Devo. I think I'll make my next video on that and get that going. This one I fire pretty good with the thumb studs. I really like this one. I've oiled up the micarta. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I've been rambling on here. I hope you found this useful. I think this is cool as crap. Well, and I want to say, you know, all you fidgeters out there, I'm not 100% sure what the addiction is, but I can tell you, pay for the quality. These two are my favorite by far, especially this one now after I've changed the magnets. It's made a huge difference. I think that's going to be fun to play with, and this one's sounds like popcorn going. I really like this one. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching as always. I appreciate it. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.